Hi, I'm Maddie. I'm at Stoke City Community Trust and I'm doing the Level 2 Community Activator Apprenticeship. So since starting the apprenticeship, I think I've become a lot more confident in public speaking, and then when I'm out on sessions, I feel more confident talking in front of a group of people. I feel like I've learned to be very adaptable. Obviously, if something goes wrong in a session or you need to change it because of the participants' needs, you learn how to do it on the spot. Maybe there's not as much participants, so you've just got to change what you wanted to do a little bit. Yeah, I didn't really know what I wanted to do when I left school. I applied for college and I applied for the apprenticeship, and then I think I kind of realised over the summer and the period that you kind of have off that I wanted to kind of jump in the deep end and try going into full-time employment to see how it was and what it was like. I've always kind of been a staff, I've always had a bit of a mature mindset, I work better when I'm doing something than kind of sitting back and learning something. So I've learned, I think from the apprenticeship it's something that has suited me and how I learn.